Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to change your profile picture. Either it can be a selfie or any picture from your camera. On PS4, I'm just trying to go to profile. So here right, you need to click on this three dots and come to edit profile. So go to change your profile picture. See, under profile picture right, on PlayStation app I can upload my selfie picture or any picture from camera. So this is my current avatar, so I'm going to choose this one. In order to do that right, you need to go to your mobile, install this PS app and tap on this PS button. So scroll left so you can see the settings. Under settings right, you can click on this account information. So under account information right, you can choose this profile picture. Click on this edit button. So I'm going to change this picture. You can choose that from your images. So I have some screenshots and camera profile. I'm going to use the screenshot. So this is the image I'm going to use that. Click on this. So now it is changed. You can resize it, adjust it, click on save. Do you want to use this as your profile picture? Yes. Click on OK on your mobile. So now this is now your profile picture has been set. So going back to PS4. So I'm going to verify that. Going back. See, now my profile picture has been changed. So now I'm going to verify this profile picture on my home screen. So I'm going to verify that. So going back. So on top page also it's changed, and go to power. Come for the switch user. Super cool. Now my profile picture has been changed. See this? That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback. Thank you. Bye.